Gala Games at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a short-term bounce to the upside after we continued to hold within our key area of support between the 0.02433 and the $0.02262. We have now managed to break above our key area of resistance above the 0.026, flipping it back into support, and we're also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. We started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has now peaked above the $0.03181. in a move that I am now terming as an impulsive Elliot wave count 1. And having picked in the formation of that wave 1, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback to the lower side in an Elliot wave count 2. And once we have a low in place for the second wave, I will be expecting another impulse to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. And the minimum pullback target areas for the second wave can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.02437 and the 0.02016, the area that I have marked here on the charts using this yellow target area. And you can all see that we have seen a bit of a short-term pullback into the area, and we are now seeing a bit of a bounce to the upside in what could be the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3. And that impulse to the upside will get confirmed the moment we manage to break above significant highs here on the charts. So in the next coming hours, I'm watching for a break above the high that we made in this wave 1, above the 0.03172. The moment we manage to break above that high and also manage to break above resistance above the 0.03331, there are very high chances that we are going to see another impulse to the upside in this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $0.04772. Then we can expect a pullback in a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. We also need to have in mind that since we have not yet fully maximized our yellow target area over here in this wave 2, we need to be aware that we can get a corrective structure over here in an ABC corrective move, in a move that will get us back into this yellow target area. And that means that whatever we have on the charts could be a wave A, then the bounce that is playing out could be a bounce in a wave B before we can finally see one more new low in that wave C, fully maximizing the yellow target area. And if that is the case, then we need to establish the minimum areas for these, the minimum target areas for this wave 3, that is the wave B, and the areas within which we can expect a rejection. So using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the high of this wave A to the low of the wave A, I get a minimum target area for that wave B between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and I can mark that target area here on the chart, which lies between the 0.0301 and the 0.0279, an area within which we can expect a rejection to the lower side to give us one more new low in this wave C. But the moment we manage to break above this area and also manage to break above the high for that wave 1 above the $0.0317, then that will be enough confirmation that we are getting started in that impulsive Elliot wave count 3 that should get us back above the $0.047 in the next coming days. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. On the long term, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulse to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.08702, giving us the high for this wave 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we fully maximized, and at some point we lost a very significant area on the Fibonacci's, which is the Fib level 0.88, where you can see that we flipped it back into resistance. And I have been saying to you that we need to be aware that Gala games can easily give us a massive sell-off, giving us a reset of the bear market lows. And at the time of this recording, you can all see that we have managed to get back above the Fib level 0.88, and that is above the 0.02139. And that means that there are high chances that we can continue pushing higher and maybe regain that bullish momentum in a move that can easily give us another impulse to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in an Elliot wave count 5. But if this structure that is playing out at the moment fails, then I will be expecting a total sell-off, giving us a reset of the bear market lows. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out. And I will be keeping you up to date.